Hi there, my name's Carrie and I just want to welcome you to this video and to my channel. I am an artist and an illustrator. I went to art school a number of years ago, got into illustration, and then ended up getting into business and working in businesses instead. I'm now on a mission to get back into my art, and I really want to get back into it full time. I love it and I miss it. And so I'm creating different videos around art and my experiences and my journey to hopefully becoming a full-time artist once again. I hope you'll join me. Today I am going out into nature to do some plein air painting. I'm very fortunate to live in the country. We have some beautiful forests and fields and just different scenery around that I love being in, and I thought today I would go out and do a painting outside. We have some really nice weather early here in April, so I hope you'll join me. I'm keeping it simple. I'm using simple materials, very inexpensive materials, and I'll show you what I'm going to use and bring you along for the journey while I paint outside. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks. As I'm choosing the different colors that I want to use in my painting, I'm thinking about all of the different trees and the lighting, the grass, the leaves that I'm going to be painting, and about the past paintings that I've done. I don't want to take all of my paints out with me, so this works really well. I'm also taking this handmade sketchbook out with me. I made it, although some of the pages are falling out because it was the first one I made. But it has a cold press, pretty heavy watercolor paper in it, I think about 300 pound. I'm also taking a pencil, an eraser, and one paintbrush and my watercolors out with me as well. So I'm going to start with this little scene here and see how it goes with the little path and the cedars and everything all around and the leaves, and hope that I can capture the sunlight coming through. The clouds are on and off right now, so we'll see how it goes. Sitting outside and painting nature is one of the most relaxing and fulfilling pastimes I could possibly experience. The sound of the birds' cheerful songs, the wind softly brushing the tree branches across the sky, and the sun dancing lightly on my skin. What a wondrous world we live in. Painting outdoors or painting on plein air doesn't have to be complicated. I keep my materials, setup, and expectations to a minimum, which really helps to just get outside and paint. Today, I'm using what I have handy: a basket, a simple palette, my sketchbook, and inexpensive paints and brushes. No fancy pochade box, no oil paints, and no chair. I've chosen a location that's comfortable, quiet, safe, and easy for me to access. I'm painting a scene that brings me joy. It appeals to me in an innate way with simple, natural beauty. This spot has varying light and shadow, depth, and contrasting colors. For my painting today, I'm working loosely in an impressionistic style with no initial drawing and no underpainting. I'm actually interpreting the scene in front of me into a more vibrant and colorful painting. If I painted it exactly as I see it, the colors would be more muted and gray with similar values. It would still be beautiful, but I want more contrast, more color and life in my painting. I'm also using loose and varied brushstrokes to catch the movement in the branches, the leaves on the ground, and the shadows. This helps to convey different textures as well. As I'm painting, life painting, we would call this, I'm glancing up to look at the shapes, the light, and the life of the nature scene I'm painting. Sometimes I'm painting what I see, and other times I'm painting an impression or a feeling of what I see. My mind, my body, and all of my senses are all highly perceptive when I'm fully immersed in painting out in nature. There seems to be a deep symbiotic connection that flows throughout. This mind-body connection is deep for me and is one of the many great benefits of plein air painting out in nature. There is scientific evidence that spending time in nature has significant benefits for our brains, such as helping to reduce stress and anxiety, increasing our creativity and our attention to detail, and helping us to better connect with other people. As I continue with my painting, I'm focusing on some of the smaller details, any darker shadows or lighter areas that I need to highlight. Sometimes the day will tell you your painting is done, and sometimes you just know it's time to walk away and let it be done. I'm feeling pretty content with my loosely painted sketch today, and I'm so happy that I'll have those associated memories from my day of painting out in nature every time I look at it. If you haven't tried plein air painting before, I highly recommend you give it a try. Now I'm going to quickly recap 5 simple ways to start and enjoy plein air painting. Number 1, keep it simple. Your materials and setup, the location, and the scene you're going to paint. Number 2, temper your expectations. Go out for the experience of painting in nature and allow yourself to explore creatively. Be open and intuitive. Look for the positive in your work. Number 3, dress for the weather and be prepared so that you're comfortable while you're painting. Number 4, make sure you have water to drink and snacks to eat. You need to keep your creative energy and focus up. Number 5, embrace the experience. Thoughtfully acknowledge all of the nature around you. Take in the sounds and smells, be it the trees, the earth, the ocean, the grass. Feel the breeze on your face, the sun warming your skin, and the birds chirping. How you perceive your experiences will reflect in your painting. Lastly, as an important extra tip, Be safe. Choose a public area and let someone know where you went and when you'll return, and do take your phone. I hope this was an enjoyable and also helpful video for you today. If you'd like to see my upcoming videos, please do subscribe, and I hope to see you again very soon.